7 News starts now, live with breaking news.
As to the charge of murder, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty. As to the charge of possession of a weapon during the commission of a violent crime, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty. As to the charge of burglary first degree, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty.
That is Zachary Hughes, guilty on 5 of 7 charges, including murder for the death of Christina Parcell.
Parcell was found stabbed to death in her home on Canebrake Drive in October 2021. Shortly after that verdict, Hughes was sentenced to life in prison.
Our Taylor Farmer has been following this trial since it began nearly 2 weeks ago.
Zachary Hughes was on trial for killing Christina Parcell in her home by stabbing her 35 times. A jury found Hughes guilty on 5 charges, and a judge sentenced him to 2 life sentences.
Zachary Hughes admitted to the killing of Christina Parcell, walking us through how he did it. The state called him a cold-blooded killer, but the defense argued Hughes' actions were justified, that he was protecting a child and that he doesn't have an evil heart.
The only thing necessary for evil to prosper is for good men to do nothing.
He wanted to kill someone. He was given a target on a silver platter.
After the jury found Hughes guilty on 5 charges, including murder, harassment, and burglary, the state requested the judge give him life in prison. Before the judge ruled, the victim's sister, Tina Parcell, gave an emotional testimony.
Did he cry? Did he shake? Did he look visibly distressed? He said the word repulsed, but did he once look repulsed? He said the word vomited. Did he ever once look nauseated? As he described, dragging my sister through my living room.
Tina Parcell wasn't the only one who shared an emotional statement. Hughes' father, David Hughes, pleaded with the judge as well and said he was proud of his son and loved him.
He has got such a strong moral compass and fortitude and desire for the truth in his life than really anyone I've ever met.
Ultimately, the judge gave Hughes life sentences on the murder and burglary charge. Hughes' attorneys did not have much to say once they stepped out of the courtroom.
The jury reached a verdict. The judge sentenced Mr. Hughes, and we're going to appeal.
The prosecutor, Solicitor Walt Wilkins, said no one won today, but he believes the criminal justice system was successful.
The sort of sense of vigilante justice that Zach Hughes discussed on the stand just isn't allowed in South Carolina or the country. And we're not going to stand for it here, and if you engage in that, we're going to prosecute you to the full extent of the law.
Again, Hughes was sentenced to 2 life sentences to be served concurrently. He was found guilty on 5 charges. Outside the Greenville County Courthouse, Taylor Farmer, 7 News.
And for more details on this trial, you can find this story on WSPA.com, or you can download our app for free in the App Store or on Google Play.